On behalf of VIA Hyderabad chapter and on my personal behalf, I take this opportunity to welcome you all for this important and interactive session with Ms. Deepa Malik. My colleague Uday will introduce Deepa Malik in a while. But I also want to say that I'm very happy to have our Vice Chairperson of CII AP, Ms. Vanitha Datla. We look forward to your special address. Friends, adversity reveals character. What a beautiful and correct statement that is. And this is what our speaker Deepa Malik believes. And we all know that character is built through practice, discipline, determination and perseverance. Determination to carry on in spite of the struggle is what separates the champion from the ordinary people. We are very fortunate to have amongst us someone who can teach us not only how to overcome adversity, but also how to make adversity into a success. And coming to the Young Indians, I mean, today's event really exemplifies what Young Indians is all about. Our vision, Young Indians, is to be the voice of Young Indians globally. And the way we do that is by developing responsible leadership in our societies, creating responsible leaders. And one of the ways we do that is by providing a platform to icons like Deepa Malik, who can then inspire our members, they can inspire our community and our kids. So I'm very happy to see the participation from the students from various institutes around the city. And as Chandrasekhar mentioned, it's fantastic. We have Roots International, Ashra Akruti Foundation, and Devnar Foundation for the Blind. And I couldn't be happier for their participation. I would just tell you a little bit about Young Indians. Young Indians is an integral part of CII. It was started in 2002. Today, Young Indians has around 1,600 direct members, and between the age of 25 and 45. It's a national organization, 32 chapters across the country, spans across 23 states, and it is growing. Nationally, YI conducts these and different types of events, learning events, industry missions, CEO interaction, international missions, social entrepreneurship programs, student events. So all in all, it's about 550 events a year impacting 5 lakh people. In addition, YI works with 110 institutions and 9,500 students through what we call Yuva Chopals. Under the banner of Yuva, Young Indians involve students from schools and colleges around the country and involves them in leadership, personal development, and nation-building activities. Today, I'm happy to announce that Roots Business International School is our newest partner in Hyderabad, as we have signed an MOU with them to start a Yuva program, which is a 360-degree leadership program, a 2-year program that VIA Young Indians will be doing at the campus of Roots International, and we are going to start that program next month. And we plan to do that with additional colleges this year also. I'm also pleased to inform you that VIA is the official representative of India in the G20 Young Entrepreneurs Alliance. And VIA is also the proud founder of Commonwealth Asia Alliance of Young Entrepreneurs. So let me just close by saying that I hope that you enjoy today's session, and I'm sure that you will be impacted in a positive way. Now, before I invite our special speaker, Ms. Vanitha Datla, I would just like to mention, I already mentioned to you that she is the CII AP Vice Chairperson and her role in the CII. But let me also take this opportunity to congratulate her for her contribution towards women issues. She was the first chairperson of Indian Women Network in AP. Indian Women Network was launched by CII last year as an exclusive platform for career women, professionals, and entrepreneurs to network, learn, share, and seek better opportunities. IVIN, as the short form is, it works to create circle of trust, wherein women share their experience and overcome challenges at work, family, and society. Under her leadership, IBN has initiated various initiatives for career women like mentoring sessions, learning and development sessions, awareness on health and wellness issues, as well as several policy issues like prevention of sexual harassment at work and also safety for women. So IBN continues to inspire career women to achieve their personal and professional goals. So ladies and gentlemen and friends, please join me in welcoming Ms. Manita Datla for the special.